In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. So if you want to remove the Meta AI, first of all open the WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. So you'll not be able to directly remove the Meta AI, but what you can do is simply delete the chat of the Meta AI. For that, long press on the chat of Meta AI. After that, at top you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the trash icon that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option, delete chat. Now you can see over here the chat with Meta AI will be deleted. Also, what you can do is simply try muting the notification of Meta AI. For that, tap on the Meta AI icon that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here Meta AI chat has been opened. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, mute notifications, that you can see on the screen. Now you can select the time period. Simply tap on this option always and tap on this option OK. Now you'll not receive the notification from Meta AI. Now after you do all this, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Find this option for chats and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the chats interface. In some of the devices, you'll be able to find the option for show Meta AI button. What you have to do is toggle that button off. After you do that, Meta AI will no longer be shown. Now it will be hidden. So like this, you'll be able to hide the Meta AI from the chats too. After you do that, do not interact with Meta AI at all and it will be equivalent to removing it. So that is how you remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.